Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I have a chicken finger and onion rings mukbang. It's so warm today. And guess what I'm going to try today? Ranch. Hidden Valley Ranch. Apparently this is the only ranch in America that everyone it just goes mad about. So I'm going to twist. It says twist to open. Twist open. Oh, here we go. All right. Oh my God, it's opened. So I'm going to try it with you guys. I've never tried it before. Oh, it smells amazing. I'm so excited, guys. So I'm just going to pour some on here. Is it runny or is it not runny? Let's see what it's like. Is it quite... Oh, so excited. Oh, wow. So I have ranch, guys. Are you excited? I've also got some kimchi, some ketchup, and some Coke Zero, which I'm going to open now. I don't have any nails, so it's really difficult for me to open it. I've also got crushed ice this time, so I just love crushed ice. I'm really funny about ice, about water. It's got to be completely right. So I've got my Coke here. Pop that there. So excited. Oh my God, this is the first time ever. This cannot be real. Do you know, I don't think it was a good idea to put it on a paper towel. It's going to soak it all up, isn't it? Mmm. It's not a good idea. Let me get a plate. So, oh, let's have an onion ring. This is amazing. Oh my God. Mmm. Ketchup. So guys, to me, ranch. I've tried ranch in England before. And do you know what, guys? These chicken fingers are the best. I kind of burnt these ones. But I'm so hungry. Mmm. This ranch is amazing. It's really, really good. It's a bit burnt. Kimchi. So, so this morning I had a bit of a cry, really. Because I couldn't actually believe that crushed ice is everything. It's so weird how ice can make things so much better. It really is. Like, I don't like big kind of bulky ice. These burnt ones aren't very good, guys. I really don't. I prefer kind of... Everything's amazing. I prefer ice that's kind of smaller. And it's easy to kind of drink the drink. Is that weird? So anyway, oh God, this is so good. Have a bite, guys. Mmm. I know why American people now just can't get enough of this. It's so creamy. Mmm. The ones I've had in England, like I said, were too garlicky. But this is amazing. Like, everyone in America has this apparently. It's kind of the #1 kind of ranch that everyone has. That's what I've heard. So basically, what was I saying? Yeah, I kind of teared up this morning because of all the love that you guys have given me. It kind of sunk in this morning. It really did. I'm looking back at my analytics and watch time, and I've really smashed it, guys. I really have. If it wasn't for you lot, I don't know what I would have done. I don't know. I honestly try and... I don't succeed in a lot of things in life, and I'm gonna cry. I don't want to cry, but like I rang my friend this morning. I'm just like, I'm so proud of like my channel. I don't want to cry. It's stupid, but I'm so proud. I really am so proud. I basically come from... I remember the first time I ever wanted to do YouTube. I was so nervous about... I've said this to you guys before, like a 10-minute video. No, it was 10 seconds it was, and it took me so long for me to do it. I was just so kind of worried about what people would think of me. And there's my chopsticks. I was so worried, and I just thought, you know what? I'm just gonna do this. And honestly, it's the best thing I've ever done, because I've not stuck at many things in life. But this, it just goes to show that rewards will come to those who persevere. It's so true. It really is true. I really couldn't thank you guys enough. I don't want to finish it all. I'm addicted. Will it fit if I dip it? No. Stupid. I'm just going to tiny bit more. Because my boyfriend would want to try this. He's kind of obsessed with America as well, like me. I don't know what I'd do without you guys. I really don't. You make my life so happy, knowing that I can get up every morning that butternut sauce is just to die for. And just have you guys, I don't know, it's just so amazing. I never thought I'd get to where I am today. I know I've not got millions of followers, but I don't really care. You know, I'm glad you guys have seen the real me. You know, behind all the Botox and lip fillers, I am a really, really nice person. I'm a very sensitive, fragile person. So I'm really glad that you guys have Been there for me. It's crazy. These onion rings are amazing. Mm. Gonna have this bit, no, that's onion ring, then I'm done. So full. God, that hidden ranch, oh my god, it's so good. It tastes so creamy, like buttermilk. I guess that's what ranch is, isn't it? Love it. I wonder why they call it ranch. Does it come from the ranch? Like a ranch? What is it? Gluten free. I'm loving this ice. So good. Right guys, so that is my mukbang over. I hope you've had a really good time with me today. I really enjoyed myself. I just want to say thank you again for everything you've done for me. It's all down, you know, it's all you guys' support that have made me, you know, give me motivation to get out, get up and, you know, do stuff. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think of it. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Oh, don't you just hate cleaning up? You know, like tidying up everything.